Hello everyone, welcome to DevTech Media, the media that shares news, trending videos, political news, gospel music as well as entertainment. Please, if you are joining me for the first time, don't forget to click that subscription button and that notification bell to be the very first person to receive the video that will be posted and produced by DevTech Media. Remember, DevTech Media, updating you.
Mweba munina umuntu kuti aisa iminina aimini nokwabula ensoni ati ba PF tapali efe bachita ala abanenunga n'ababomba kutala mwatasha n'abantu abenga michindika mwalanda tawe kwena infrastructure yena amaskulu yene patala awe namubomba bataba nensu bena beba fiat tapali efe bachita tapali bali filwa ichibemba chitila ichibemba nga waupo mwana kashi uwa upwapo alikwatapo n'abaana wila unfuo ufuba pali bala abaana wasanga mu fyala mwabo ila ngyobwaume fyala mwabo tekula asusha fye ififi bana fya pala wishu kutumba fyala mwabo bena wotuka muna abo wefo baka bataba katumbi. So if you have kususha your PF tapale fo yachita, it's not fair. Na lesa wineta temwa dimbecho mupone na 5 times. Why mina wapona nensoni kuti wamfu wako walekera kwaba nove no bantu bamwe abantu bali kwata agenda yabo iyo bafayo ko tete balekeleko kano fe balefwa ya fe nibo basata bali twebele mulebukisha mu 201 bapona mu 206 bapona 208 bapona bayebela ati linde imina mu 2011 nishinomba nga nshiwinine nishinaleka nshile ko bambi bantu lesali bapalile bateka nomba umunensuyu 5 times apona fi elo lidale pona mwebe na Zambia mwipushe ni chinshi icho apone na lyonse bantu talande chinka abepa fi obufi umutima wakwe tawaba wabantu imibele yakwe teisuma mwali mwana nokuseka omunensu tase kwena mwana kwata president wa fulu afye nilino tule mwana nga bapitako muma road show bale ipati show kuseka ku bantu tefyo baba nali abapalamata baseka tabaseka ukulyana abantu kanani takwaba mwaikala tumuleli efi yakulya nangu abafyo wa mwensu watu bakanjipaya analesa filata temwa umuntu wakwata mano wakwata fya mano umuntu kuti aisamwe bati pano pa market ifine pali abantu fula ushale fye ife wafyelwe wala nonga kuti wachitesha musangwe ule kwebe fe kuti waiba fyata I think uyu munandirishi temutuntulo kutanje bokufula paya babantu pano ponse ati immediately nga wafula fe wala nonka kutwaishi batawe fyena fya bupubale nje efya banensu ba church baisa beba kuli siya 1 bebele umuntu lawine siya 1 ali abatina I'm not a Christian, I don't believe in Jesus Christ and we are a Christian nation. Umuntu alilanda ati nena alikwatelesa wandamwe Jagaban aisa mwe bati tampafi okubepo obufi pakuti bakusale tampafi okubepo obufi pakuti bakusale papitile fe kushibiri ba HH ba pamula basabebele inenga mwansala fye mwansala 10 o'clock nafuma fe mukuchita swear in 14 hours dollar to the kwacha ikapona panshi mwe bamunyina bamagande n'abalanda bamagande bali niwa Minister of Finance n'abalemba ati kwesuma sana bamagande n'abakano kwebati improving national currency is not a matter of akadabra magande tells HH n'abakana bamagande takwabe fyalela ndatakwa nangu muntu nindoshi nangu muntu ni magician 30. There are a lot of factors that lead tukwacha na dolo kubwela panshi ngesho na lalo eshokulondolola koine muku supwila fena ngukubika in simple terms pakwacha abantu bachite understand nombo muntu ale mibe pobu fingefyo ngakuti abe pobu fyati ngamwansala ngana chitasoya in pa 10 o'clock 14 hours rate of the dollar to the kwacha ikapona panshi na imo muleti Zambia forward abasungu baliye but not everything that glitter is God. Te fionse fibenge shimo kubenge shima ifi abani golide ifi ngifi abufi ubufi tule mfwa abani nsu balelanda.
You know, the Bible says, do unto others as you would wish others to do unto you. Meaning, that thing that you want others to do to you, do it to others. It's amazing that many people are calling me, writing me, saying, Siawan, you shouldn't have exposed Chishimba Kambwiri. You shouldn't have said those things. You shouldn't have talked about his sickness. You shouldn't have embarrassed him there in public. You shouldn't have insulted him. You shouldn't have shared the things that were presented to you in confidentiality to the public. And you forget that what you want others to do to you, do it to others. Chishimba Kambwiri has been everywhere in the country, speaking and insulting everybody. Speaking and insulting Hakainde Hichilema. Actually, when you insult Hakainde Hichilema, when you speak ill of Hakainde Hichilema, when you speak all these bad languages that you speak about Hakainde Hichilema, do you realize that he has a family? Chishimba Kambwiri has been saying a lot of things about Hakainde Hichilema. And Chishimba Kambwiri, actually, him and the GBM kidnapped the Hatambos family. This is a very serious crime. And I know that they are going to answer this crime very soon. Kidnap them, ask them to lie against Hakainde Hichilema. A lot of things have been said about him. Hakainde Hichilema is a Satanist. Hakainde Hichilema is a kidnapper. Hakainde Hichilema is so the mind. Hakainde Hichilema did this. Hakainde. Every blessed day, including I myself, I used to be among those people that speak evil against Hakainde Hichilema, and nobody complained. In my own church in Zambia, I gave my platform to Bishop Chomba, the permanent secretary of Water and Natural Resources in the government of Zambia, and now the parliamentary candidate for PF. I gave him my platform to use it to defame Hakainde Hichilema in my church in Zambia, in my crusade that attracted the highest number, a record-breaking crusade that took place at OYDC. Thousands of people gathered. I gave my platform to Chomba to use it to call Hakainde Hichilema Satanist, to defame Hakainde Hichilema so that Hakainde Hichilema could lose an election. No one spoke about it. All of us have spoken so many things about this man. How does he feel? How does his wife feel? How does his children feel when you defame him like this? So if you are crying because Siawan exposed Chishimba Kambwiri, I have not even exposed him. I just said one out of hundreds of things that I can bring out in the public. I didn't speak about his wife and the relationship. There are so many things I can speak that would destroy Chishimba Kambwiri completely. I just touched one because he provoked me, because he denied me. And everywhere is shaking. Everyone is talking about it. How much more when I start exposing them? How much more when I talk about Edgar Lungu? What I want to say is that I want you to feel the pain that Hakainde Hichilema and his family feels when we defame them, when we speak evil against them, when we call him Satanist, when we accuse him of things that he didn't do. I want you to feel how his children feel. The same way that Chishimba Kambwiri is feeling now is the same way Hakainde Hichilema feels. It's a human being. What crime did he commit? I was among the people that were speaking and defaming him. Even in my church, where thousands of people are gathered. A man that committed no crime except trying to rise up, become a president and save his people. all of us turned around and started speaking evil against him. What is so special about Chimbaka Mbui? I have a lot of things that I will say about Chimbaka Mbui and the PF, including Eddie Galungu. That one is just 1% over 100% of what is still hidden, what I still need to talk about. So those of you that are sending me messages, say, see, I want to respect the elders, see, I want to respect the people that came to you in privacy. There is no elder here. When an elder decides to play with children, he must be willing to prepare his pennies for toys for children. This is just the beginning. I am not going to stop. I am not willing to stop. I am going to talk. There are so many things that I will say. So if you are sympathizing with Chimbaka Mbui, why you didn't sympathize with me when he called me a Satanist? When he was insulting me, when he was telling people not to listen to CR1, not to come to CR1, when he was coming to me behind to look for power, to look for advice, when he was telling me to finish the criminals, when he was telling me to finish PF. So you must also balance the equation. Chimbaka Mbui and the PF government are reaping from what he saw. So if you are their sympathizers, I'm so sorry for you. This is just the beginning. It will have not even started.
Thank you very much for tuning in at DevTech Media. Remember, DevTech Media is the media that shares news, trending videos, political news, gospel music, as well as entertainment. Please don't forget to click that subscription button and that notification bell to be the very first person to receive the video that will be produced and posted by DevTech Media. DevTech Media, updating you. Subscribe to DevTech Media.